Basketball, you betcha I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer once again, giving you what you need, guaranteed to succeed in the gym. And I'm happy to be back as usual to make you the best player that you can be today, tomorrow, the next day, the next month, and even into the next year. So let's get started into this training. First, I want you to remember why we're doing this. It is to compete with ourselves each and every day. So the first thing that we're going to do to compete with ourselves is see if we're in shape. We're going to start right away with those liners. Oh yeah, you're right. I know. You just started off the week crazy. Well, somebody get you in a bad mood? No, not at all. I'm ready to get you in shape. It is summer league season time, so you should be getting with your high schools and you should start playing. So that is what's coming up. If you're not out of school yet, you will be soon, and that is what we're looking for. So we got 4 liners that we're gonna run. Okay, we're gonna run those in 36 seconds. Okay, not too hard, but also not too slow. Okay, so make sure you make those times. Remember, the liners are free throw line and back, half court and back, free throw line and back, and then the other full court line and back. All right, that's what we're going to do. Then we are going to get into our layup series to start. Now that our heart is pumping and our heart is racing, we got our regular layup, we got our jump stop layup, we got our inside hand layup, we got our reverse layup, we got our reverse layup with the left hand. Then we're going to do all these on the other side. After we do these on the other side, which will be a left hand layup, a jump stop layup, an inside hand layup, and then our reverse with the right hand and our reverse with the left hand, we will then go into tucking that basketball with the hard pound, getting across the key and finishing. And then we will also go with our low dribble and finish, and then we will pick it up with our high dribble and over the top and finish opposite there. We're going to do that on both sides of the floor, whether it's on the right side or whether it's on the left side. All right, then I want you to go to the free throw line because you're going to be a little tired after doing that back to back. So I want you to make 3 free throws real quick. Then once you get done with that, we are going to go into another set of layups, and that is going to be our footwork for layups. Okay, remember, when we're doing our footwork, it's important to stay low and engaged when you get that basketball. Staying low and engaged is going to keep you in the right form of being strong with the ball. Okay, so that's one thing I want you to remember. And you are going to work your footwork in different ways. We got our inside pivot, outside pivot. Make sure you are ripping through when you are doing this. Ripping through is important, and the speed of it is important, okay? Because if you get into a game and you want to go at a pace where you're trying to go slow and understand, that's good for the workout. But understand at some point you have to train as if you're playing. So if you're a first timer and you're learning the footwork, feel free to rewind it, slow it down, run it back, do what you need to do. But for those who've been working out with us for the last 200 plus days, I need you to do everything with the intention of playing in the game. Okay, that is so important. Can't emphasize that enough. And on each footwork category that we do, we're going to make 5 layups. Okay, so inside pivot, outside, and then even our jab, we're going to go make the 5 layups. You're going to do that on both sides of the floor. Okay, then what I want us driving from the baseline. Okay, then we're going to work a couple moves out of that, and we're going to finish 5 layups each. So you can alternate all the moves that we do, or you can stick with just one move. All right, you want that on both sides of the floor. Then after that, we are going to shoot floaters. Okay, so with our floaters, very simple. We're going to go in nice and easy, work our footwork, and we're going to float and hit the shot with no backboard. Then we are going to go shoot off the backboard and make these. So we're going to go 3 each, okay, just so we get a good amount of reps. And then also we are going to do the middle, and then we're also going to do the left side of the floor. Okay, so 3 each in each section. All right. After that, I would like you to then go to the free throw line again, and we're going to make those 5 free throws. All right. Just work on your form, make sure everything is in rhythm, and you have your routine down at the free throw line. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our threes. We're going to shoot some star drill threes. Okay, I want to get into that. And then we're going to get into our 3-level shooting. Okay, where we lay it up, we go mid-range, and then we shoot at the 3. Okay, I want you again to work this area with consistency. So I want you to go hard and make the layup. Go into the dribble with a nice pull-up. Go into the 3-point pull-up with a load and ready to shoot. Okay, so we're doing all of that, and we are going to make sure we do that on both sides. And we're only going to do it 2 times. Okay, the star drill is going to get you a little tired after you do it about 3 times. And then you're going to do our 3-level shooting 2 times. Okay, then I want you to work on your footwork again to shoot. So you're gonna roll that ball out. You're gonna work on your inside plant, turn and finish. Okay, on the jump shot. Same thing on the other side. Nice and easy into it. Let's make 5 on each side. Okay, then we're going to mix it back up, and then we're going to drive to the rim again. So now you're driving sideways and working on that counter. We got our crossover. Okay, we got our through the legs. And then we also have our behind the back. So hard drive from the right side with that left hand, countering back to the right. Then the same concept, okay, same concept going from the left side to going in with the counter to the left. Okay, so you're going in from the left side, dribbling with the right hand, countering to the left. Okay, so we're gonna do that 3 times each. Then I wanna work our on the go. Okay, so this is a new drill. Okay, we're gonna catch it on the go. So you're gonna catch it, you're gonna go on the go, okay, and then you're gonna drive hard to the rim. Okay, we're looking for different finishes here. Okay, floaters, pull-ups, and then hard drive to the basket. Okay, so on the go, a lot of people like to catch and skip, or catch, stop, and then go. Okay, we want you to catch it and just go right through the motion and finish. All right, so that's a new drill for us here at Basketball U, and it gets pretty tiring, okay, but it's a nice drill, and it helps the, I would say, less athletic players get that extra step or that extra boost ahead of a player that's not prepared to guard that right away. Defenses have a tendency to sit back, so this will give you an advantage, especially if you know how to shoot that 3. And last but not least, Basketball U, we are going to play a little defense. Oh yeah, you better believe it. We got our 2-cone drill that we're going to do that I love so much. Then we have our sprint and multi-direction drill that we're going to do, where we sprint and we go left on the defensive slide, or we go sprint down and we go right on the defensive slide. Okay, so we're going to do that. Then we're going to do our NBA box drill, where we sprint down, slide, back pedal, slide, slide back, sprint down, slide across, and back pedal. Okay, and then we are going to do our key slides. Today's goal, it's a big one, 22. Okay, we're gonna do this 3 times. Remember, you're gonna have quick feet in the key. You're gonna slide key to key, and you wanna count each time you touch the key within this 30 seconds. Can you get 22? Okay, so that is gonna be your goal for the week. I hope you beat it, and I hope you achieve more. And speaking of more, I wanna see if you're gonna do extra work, Basketball U. So the extra work today, it's not gonna be on the court, we're gonna be in the weight room, okay? And in the weight room, we're just gonna use the bench, and we're gonna work on, and I think I've already introduced you to this. We're just gonna work those 1-leg pops as we put our knee up on the bench, and then we just pop that ankle and that leg straight up and down, okay, with the most bounce that we can. Working on some ankle strength, a little bit of Achilles strength, working a little bit of that soleus, and we're just trying to get a little bit bouncier, okay? So we're gonna go 5 sets of 15 on that as we pop, 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 pop. And then we're also going to work squat jumps, okay? So you're gonna work those squat jumps. And then that's just the extra work for today. If you wanna even throw jump rope in there, why not? Okay, 2 feet jump rope. and we'll get it in. Basketball U, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for always joining us. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and then share it with a friend if you need to. Hey, it's the Daily Trainer. Always happy to be here. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?